shoulder external rotation. So we need to block. You need to get your hands, or I will say your elbows, in a 90 degrees angle. You need to be able to make this movement. If it's hard to bring your hands away from the floor, maybe you don't need a block. If you are comfortable when you look at the ground, it can be challenging. If you need more challenge, move the block in a different direction. Okay? So let's start with the first exercise. So you have your elbows on the ground. You look at the mat, you engage your belly slightly in towards your spine, and from there, without using your wrist, you can create a fist. It's going to be easier. Now I want you to think about your shoulders. So you need to use your shoulder to bring your hands away from the block of the floor for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more together. Use your shoulders to lift your hand for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. In and lift for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the first exercise. The second, you will have to use your scapular, but also your shoulder. So you need to retract your scapular a bit. So scapular together, the big bone together, and use your shoulders to bring your hands up. So you work on your shoulder external rotation. So first you need to check your range. So without the block, you need to engage your scapula slightly, move the hands towards the sky, and see where is your range. So now you're going to use the block, and you will have to move your hands together, forward and back. So hands on the block, elbows on the block. So if you feel like it's easy to move your hands forward and back, maybe you need to elevate the block like you did before from the first exercise. So I am comfortable. So let's start. So I have my hand on the block. I engage my scapula slightly, belly in towards my spine. Lift your hand slightly up, and now you bring your elbows on the block. Take a break. Let's go. In and hands to the block. Pause. In and move your hands forward. Rest your elbows. In and up, 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 and down. Okay, I will say forward and back. One more together. Engage your scapula. Use your shoulders. Let's go. Place your elbows on the block. Let's bring your elbows back. So hands on the block. Okay. You need to repeat 5 times for the 2 exercises. See you next time.